This is a real dispatch day inside an Indian AC service center. Not a theory video, not a generic software explanation. Imagine 30 technicians, 100 to 200 jobs, and one dispatcher trying to keep everything moving before the customer starts calling again. The old system usually starts with Excel. The company exports jobs from an OEM portal, or company CRM. The office opens the sheet, marks one technician name against each row, and then starts sending job details on WhatsApp. By lunchtime, the sheet says one thing, the WhatsApp groups say another thing, and the owner has to ask everyone for the real status. This is where chaos enters. One customer says the technician has not called. One technician says the address was incomplete. One job was urgent, but it is mixed with normal service calls. One payment was collected in cash, one by UPI, and one is still pending. When the day has 30 technicians and 100 to 200 jobs, small confusion becomes daily leakage. Now look at where jobs actually come from. Authorized AC service centers usually get work from an OEM or company CRM. Some jobs come from dealer portals. Some come from WhatsApp inquiries. Some come from direct customer calls. Some come from the website or Google lead form. The problem is not the source. The problem is that every request must become one clean job before dispatch begins. In KaryaFlow, the dispatcher first brings all these jobs into one pending job queue. The pending queue is the holding area before assignment. It shows customer name, phone number, address, PIN code, city, product, complaint, priority, preferred visit time, and outside ticket number if the job came from an OEM. This queue matters because the dispatcher can see the day before distributing it. How many new jobs came in? How many are same-day SLA? Which area has too many calls? Which customer has a repeat complaint? Which jobs are missing phone numbers or addresses? Without this queue, the office is assigning from memory. Once the pending list is clean, dispatch starts. A job can be assigned by customer location, by technician map view, or by choosing a specific technician. If 5 jobs are near Borivali, the dispatcher should not send 3 different technicians blindly. If a senior technician is already nearby, the next job should be visible. The dispatcher view is the control room. On one side, pending and assigned jobs. On another side, technician availability. The map helps show which technician is closer to the customer location. Filters help by branch, city, zone, product type, priority, and visit time. The goal is not just to assign fast, the goal is to assign with context. The assignment also creates accountability. A pending job becomes assigned. Assigned becomes in progress. In progress becomes completed. If the technician cannot do the job, it becomes on hold, canceled, or revisit. Every status has a place. The job does not float inside a WhatsApp chat. Now move to the technician app. The technician opens the mobile job card and sees the customer name, address, phone, complaint, product details, priority, and SLA. There is a call button for the customer. There is navigation for the address. There is a start visit action so the office knows the work has begun. This is a major difference from WhatsApp. A WhatsApp message is only a message. A job card is a task. It carries the customer details, the expected work, and the next action. The technician does not need the office to repeat the address on call, and the dispatcher does not need to ask whether the technician has started. At the customer site, the workflow becomes even more important. Before work starts, the technician can take product photos before work, capture the serial number, and confirm the visible condition. Then he records service details. What was inspected, what was cleaned, what was repaired, and what was explained to the customer. If parts are used, they are selected against the job. Capacitor, PCB, fan motor, gas charging, sensor, remote, or any other material should not be remembered later. The service note and parts used stay connected to the same job card. This is field-proof, not scattered evidence. At completion, the technician can capture after-work photos, customer remarks, a checklist, and customer signature. The owner does not need to search 10 WhatsApp messages to confirm whether the technician visited or what work was done. The job record itself carries the proof. Now see an on-hold case. The technician reaches the site and finds that one part is unavailable. In WhatsApp, this job can disappear. Everyone assumes someone else will follow up. In KaryaFlow, the job moves to on hold with the reason, part unavailable. The customer, technician, required part, and next action remain visible. That one status saves many follow-up mistakes. The dispatcher can see on-hold jobs separately. The owner can see why work is delayed. The store team can issue the missing part. The customer can be updated without searching chat history. A job should pause, but it should not vanish. Payment and expense updates also stay inside the workflow. After service, the technician can mark cash, UPI, partial, or pending payment. If the customer pays by UPI, the collection can be recorded. If the payment is partial, the balance remains visible. If it is pending, the office knows follow-up is required. Technician expenses are separate from customer payment. Travel, parking, small material purchase, or emergency field expense can go for approval. The owner can approve or reject the expense with context because it is linked to the visit. That is cleaner than a technician sending a random receipt photo at night. The important point is that collections, pending payments, and technician expenses are no longer floating in messages. They are connected to the customer, the job, and the technician. This makes the evening review much easier for the owner. Finally, understand completed versus closed. The technician completes the work and marks the job completed. That does not mean the business should blindly close it. The owner or admin can review the proof, payment, parts, signature, and remarks. After review, the job is closed. This gap between completed and closed protects the business. Completed means the field team says the visit is done. Closed means the office has checked the record and accepted it. If proof is missing, payment is pending, or a part entry looks wrong, the job can be sent back before it becomes final. This is the real value of a structured dispatch workflow. Jobs enter from OEM CRM, WhatsApp, calls, and website leads. They wait in a pending queue. The dispatcher assigns them by location, map view, or technician. The technician uses a mobile job card. Field proof, on-hold reasons, payments, and expenses stay attached. Then the owner reviews and closes completed jobs properly. If this is how your AC service center works, and you are still managing 100 to 200 jobs with Excel assignment and WhatsApp updates, book a KaryaFlow demo. We will map your real dispatch day and show how the same workflow can run from one system.